Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add zip files on Wix. This is incredibly useful when you want to share downloadable resources, documents, or any compressed files directly from your website to your visitors. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, showing you all the sites connected to your account. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Make sure that this is the website you wish to add zip files on. It's important to verify you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under one account. From this page, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize your site's design and functionality. From here, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your website. The Add Element menu will expand, and from here you'll be presented with a list of all the elements you can use. From the list of elements, locate the button element and click on it. This will show you various button types and styles you can choose from. From the buttons type, locate the document buttons and choose the type of file you'll be using according to each icon. Since this is more of a general type of file, the best choice would be the paperclip icon, as it universally represents attachments and downloads. Simply drag it onto your website canvas where you want the download button to appear. Once the file icon is added, simply click on the Change File button. This will open a file browser window. Then select the zip file you wish to add and associate with this button. Navigate to where your zip file is stored on your computer. Select it and click Choose File. The file will upload and become linked to that button on your website. And that's it. Your zip file is now available for download directly from your Wix website, making it easy for your visitors to access the resources you're sharing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.